Someone asked about hybrid cars. So today I want us to briefly look at how they work, what are the advantages and disadvantages of having a hybrid car. So hybrid cars are just like normal cars. The only difference is they use two power sources. One is the IC engine, the normal engine, and then electric motors. So in brief, we would say they use fuel and electricity. There are many ways in which these hybrid vehicles are designed. We have the series format, whereby it's only the motors that run the vehicle. We have the parallel format, whereby both the engine and the motors collaborate to run the car. We also have series parallel, and in this one the vehicle uses both the series and the parallel to run the vehicle depending on the condition you're driving in. For example, the most common type of a series parallel car here in Uganda is the Toyota Prius. When you're in jam, the system switches to motors. So meaning if you're in jam, the car is not consuming any fuel. When you're driving uphill, the system may decide to use both the engine and the motors, meaning that the driving force will be so smooth and you will not hear even anything when you're driving. So depending on the driving situation, the car will intelligently determine whether to use the engine, the motors, or whether to use both. One of the advantages of hybrid cars is they are eco-friendly, meaning they don't pollute a lot in the environment. And then the other advantage is fuel consumption is friendly. They don't consume a lot of fuel. Then the disadvantages may be with repair costs, and then since they have added parts, they are heavy, so that means you have issues of tire wear and so on.